Hey there, welcome to our cozy corner. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of traditional home decor. You know, that warm and inviting styles that feels like a big hug for your living spaces. Ever walked into a room and thought, wow, this feels like home? That is the magic of traditional decor, and we are about to unlock its secret together. So imagine this, you step through our front doors and instantly you are surrounded by classic charm and timeless vibe. You are talking about those familiar designs that make you feel like you have just stepped into the storybook. Now, if you have ever wondered how to recreate that snug and welcoming atmosphere in your own space, you are in the right place. Today we are not just decorating, we are creating a haven that tells you story in every nook and cranny. Stick around because we have got tricks, tips and whole lot of inspiration coming your way. Let's make your home a timeless masterpiece, shall we? Imagine walking into a space that feels warm and familiar, like a cozy hug from your favorite blankets. That is the essence of traditional home decor, creating an environment that is timeless and comfortable. In the world of traditional style, think about colors that make you want to curl up with a good book to share stories with loved ones. We are talking about earthy tones like deep reds, rich browns, and soft creams. These hues set the stage for a welcoming atmosphere, making your home a haven of relaxation. Choose color for your traditional style. Home is like picking the mood of your space. Imagine warm hugs from deep reds, comfy browns, and gentle creams. These colors create a cozy atmosphere that feels like a familiar hug for your eye. Picture a room where you can relax, unwind, and feel at home. These colors set the traditional tones, making your space inviting and timeless. Now let's talk about how to use these colors. It is not just about painting walls, it is about creating a vibe. Think about using these hues in your furniture, cushions, or even in small decor items. Imagine a classic sofa in a rich brown and adding pops of deep red with your curtains. The goal is to surround yourself with colors that make you feel good and stand the test of time. So in this color palette adventure, it is let's explore how to make your traditional space uniquely yours. Let's chat about picking furniture for that classic traditional vibe. When it comes to sofa and chair, think comfy and timeless. Look for pieces with sturdy wooden frames, maybe a touch of craving for that extra charm. You want something you can sink into after a long day, right? Soft fabric in warm colors like brown and deep red can readily nail that traditional look. Now about dining tables and other furnitures, opt for solid wood. It brings in that enduring feel. Don't shy away from antique or vintage finds. That they add character. Mix them with modern pieces for a balanced blend. And here a tip. Consider pieces with a bit of history. They can tell a story in your space. So go ahead, pick furniture that feel like a warm hug with your walk into the room. Patterns and textures play a big role in making your home cozy and inviting in the traditional way. Imagine your favorite comfy chair with a floral and plaid pattern, giving it that warm and familiar feel. These patterns are not just designs, they are like the personality you space, adding character and charm. When it comes to texture, think about the way things feel. Soft cushions, smooth wooden surfaces, and maybe a fluffy rug. These are the textures that make a room feel lively in and welcoming. It is like creating a symphony of sensation in your home. Now let's talk about how to use patterns and textures about feelings overwhelmed. You don't want your space to look like a mishmash, right? So the trick is to pick a couple of your main pattern and stick with them. Maybe your love florals, great. Pair them with solid colors to keep things balanced. And when it comes to textures, make it up a bit. A smooth leather touch couch can go well with a chunky knit blanket or some wallet velvet through pillows. It is all about finding the sweet spot where everything feels harmonious. So go ahead, feel the texture, embrace the pattern, and let your traditional style shine. Creating a traditional style, some does not have to break the bank. You can still make your place look classy without spending a fortune. One smart move is to keep an eye out for good deals at thrift stores or online. You are be surprised at the gems you can find that fit right into the traditional vibes. Another budget friendly trick is to get creative with dye project. It is about being a crafting genius. It is about adding your personal touch. Think about repurposing old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or making your own traditional style wall art. These simple changes can make a big impact without costing you much. Remember, traditional decor is more about feel than the price tag. Or embrace your inner thrifty decor. Now let's talk about affordable accessories. You don't need to splurge an expansion decor items to achieve the traditional look. Hit up local flea markets or garage sale for unique finds that will not hurt your wallet. Look for items like vintage vases, classic candle holders, or even old school picture frame. Also consider rearranging and repurposing what you have already. Sometimes all it takes is a fresh perspective